Assalamu alaikum. With another exciting lecture of idioms, this is Faiz Mahmood. Today we will learn more idioms to know more and to learn more so that we can speak effectively and write better and effective. Break the bank. This doesn't mean what is appearing from the words breaking the bank or robbing the bank. It means something very expensive, which looks expensive to you while buying something. To be very expensive, taking a long vacation will break the bank, will break my pocket. I cannot afford going on a long vacation. I can't afford it right now. Breaking the bank mean the thing which is very expensive and which will be heavy on your purse and you are not able to afford that at present. To go Dutch, it means when you are going somewhere, everyone is paying the expenses, the share of the expenses incurred on that tour, on that meal, on the drink, or anything else. Everyone has to pay his or her share. It means everyone pays for his or her meal at the restaurant. I paid for my coffee and he paid for his drink at the restaurant yesterday. To go Dutch mean everyone paying for what he takes or drinks. Shell out money or to fork over money. These are the apparently two idioms, but they mean the same. Their meanings are the same. It means to pay for something usually expensive. Paying something which you have bought and that thing is very expensive. I wish I had not bought that car. I'm shelling out $1,000 a month for payments. You are shelling out means you are paying that the installment, paying these installments, and these are very heavy on your pocket. Shelling out mean expensive, paying expensive. Midas touch. Midas touch means to make money. Actually, the word comes from King Midas, uh, who turned everything he touched into gold. Whichever thing he touches, that becomes gold. So, Midas touch means to making money or to be able to make a lot of money. You never suffer loss. You go on profiting from each and everything you went into or you go for that. Sarah really has a Midas touch. Every business she starts becomes very successful. Success is favorable to the person. If success is favorable to the person or money is uh, pouring on the person, we may say that he or she has had a Midas touch. To be loaded. To be loaded, it's a slang. It means to have a lot of money. He paid in cash everywhere he goes. His family is loaded. His family is loaded mean his family is rich. As genuine as $3 bill means as US has no $3 bill, it's either $1, $2, or they don't have a $3 bill. So this term or this idiom is used sarcastically to mean something which is fake. He claims to have a 1953 model Lamborghini is as genuine as a $3 bill. Lamborghini does not exist in 1953, so he is faking something. His claim is fake. He is lying. When someone lies or something, someone presents something fake, we use this phrase as genuine as $3 bill. Thank you very much for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe with another episode, lecture of idioms. I shall be here for you. Thank you very much.